boysandgirlshairstyles.com. Today I have Ashlin here with me, and we thought it would be super fun to do a tip of the week on how to curl long hair a lot faster. So just cutting the time in half of curling. A lot of girls love their hair curled, but they don't love taking 45 minutes to sit and curl it all. Ashlin has a ton of super long hair. So I'm going to have Ashlin explain what she's done so far to cut the time in half. So I'm going to have her show you, and okay, go ahead and show them.
Okay, so this was something that I just kind of thought of because I dance and I had to have my hair up in a high ponytail, and I realized that it cut my time in half. So what I do is I just split my hair in half like this, and then I curl from back to front. So I already did that, and then I only have just a little bit on this side. So I'm just going to split my hair about this much. I'm going to just curl my hair. Another thing that I found, I have really naturally straight hair, and my hair doesn't hold curls very easily. So if you put in dry shampoo actually at the ends, I've noticed that it sticks for a longer time period instead of using hairspray. That way you don't damage your hair. As you can tell, it's going a lot faster than it usually would, even now. I don't know why, but I did that a lot faster than I usually would. It's down. Okay, so now you're just going to take out your ponytail. You're just going to kind of shake it out right now. And then if you have a ponytail line like I do, you can just grab your wand. We're going to go on this side. You just kind of straighten it out. And then what I like to do is I like to give my fronts just a little bit of a different curl to kind of make it thicker. So I'll just and then you're done. So that took me probably about 10 minutes to actually do. And when I did it with my hair just down, it took me about 45 minutes. So it cut my time tremendously.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, Ashlin. If you guys can see, look at that hair. Look, there's hair. She has a ton of hair, and that's how fast she did her hair compared to, 45 minutes of curling. So that's a super good way, just to pull it up in your pony, curl half the side, the other half, then take it out, and then just smooth it like she said. Now we do have our dry shampoo. It's called the Champ, and if you look below, if you guys are interested in dry shampoo and things, this is what you can spray throughout to help your hair, take that curl better. It actually helps make the hair stick.
It gives it the second day curl.
There you go, the second day curl. That's a good way to put it. Anyway, so you can check on the link below to find this product. That's what we are doing now also, is putting all the links so you guys, because everybody's wondering, where you get the product or the combs or the brushes or anything. So anyway, we are adding the links below. So go ahead and you can look at that if you're interested. But anyway, we appreciate Ashlin showing us how fast it is to curl her hair. So anyway, tip of the week. Thanks so much. Have a good day, guys.